Hi everyone, Norm Hamilton here. Look, using a teleprompter helps make your video appear more polished and professional. However, buying one can be a pretty costly adventure. So what about building your own? You know, a simple do-it-yourself project. I'm going to show you how I made mine in just a few simple steps, and also how well it works for me. So to begin with, I have a 7-inch tablet, so I started by buying an 8x10 picture frame with glass. Not acrylic, but glass. Then I cut a 10-inch by 12-inch piece of scrap 1/2-inch plywood and painted it flat black. After that dried, I added a 1/4-inch T-nut in the center so I could attach the teleprompter to a light stand. So it just screws right onto the light stand to be placed in front of the camera. The picture frame was added to the base using some small hinges and a folding bracket on one side. The angle of the glass is set at 45 degrees. To close in the sides and block light, I added pieces of foam core to match the angle of the picture frame and base. I tacked them into place with finishing nails and duct tape. You gotta love duct tape, right? Then, to add sturdiness and a way of closing in the camera, I added another rectangular piece of foam core to each side. This time, using finishing washers and number 6 screws that went through both layers of foam core into the wood. I cut another rectangular piece of foam core to just set on top of the sides towards the front of the whole setup. Now I leave that piece loose for ease of cleaning of the glass so I don't have to take anything apart. When using the teleprompter, I add a flag of black cloth over the back part of the teleprompter and over the camera to block out any extraneous light. This whole thing takes maybe a couple of minutes to set up anytime I want to use it. I'm using the Elegant Teleprompter Pro app with a 7-inch Samsung tablet. You can import text to the app, or you can type or copy and paste. The app can be operated remotely. I'm using a small Finty Bluetooth keyboard and have a lot of control by doing so. So you can see how easy this is. The text can be mirrored for use with the teleprompter. Although the resultant text isn't crystal clear like you'd expect from a professional teleprompter, it works, and it cost me less than $20 instead of hundreds. So should the time come when I'm using a teleprompter daily and for extended periods, yes, I'll invest further. But in the meantime, this inexpensive, effective solution is working well for me. So thanks for sharing this time with me. I hope this little DIY project has been helpful. If so, check out my other reviews and photography tips on YouTube and on my blog. Oh, by the way, if you're viewing this on YouTube, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for more. You can leave your comments and questions below. So until next time, take care of yourself and have a great day.